In this video, you will learn how to set any photo as contact photo on iPhone. So if you want to add a photo as contact photo on iPhone or iPad, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how to set any photo as contact photo on iPhone. In order to set any photo as contact photo on iPhone, first of all, you have to go to Photos app and select the photo that you want to set as contact photo on iPhone. Let's select this one. And in order to set this photo as contact photo for any contact on iPhone, we have to just tap on the share icon and then we will get these options, and here we have to scroll a bit and we will see the option that is labeled as assign to contact. So tap on assign to contact and then you will get the option to select the contact for which you want to set this photo as contact photo. Here, if you don't see the contact available, then you can also tap on search button, and from the search field you can search for that contact here. Now select the contact for which you want to set this photo as contact photo, and after that you get the interface to move and scale the photo for setting it as contact photo. Here I'm going to zoom in a bit and then set this photo as contact photo, and after that simply tap on choose and you'll notice that the contact photo will be updated here and added as the new contact photo. Just in case if this doesn't update quickly, then you can also tap on done and wait for a few seconds, and after that this will be updated. Now if we go back to contacts, here you will see that the contact photo has been updated here as well. So this way you may set any photo as contact photo on iPhone or iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to remove contact photo from contact on iPhone, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.